This charming home awaits you in Burlington's South End, a neighborhood known for its vibrant energy and close-knit community. Step inside and be embraced by the warmth of gleaming hardwood floors and the timeless elegance of detailed moldings. Every corner reflects the craftsmanship of a bygone era. The main level offers a sunlit living area and a spacious dining room, perfect for hosting friends and family. The well-appointed kitchen is ready for your culinary creations, offering the perfect space to bring your favorite recipes to life. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, each offering a cozy retreat along with a full bath designed for comfort and convenience. The finished third-floor attic provides a bonus space with endless possibilities, a home office, playroom, or studio tailored to your needs. Enjoy the charm of your own backyard, the perfect spot for gardening or relaxing on summer evenings. Just moments away from downtown Burlington, boutique shops, and the scenic waterfront at Oakledge Park, discover the perfect blend of historic charm and modern living in this South End treasure. Make this house your home.